The American medical system spends over $114 billion annually on kidney care, yet dialysis centers are popping up on every corner. Why? Because a cured patient creates zero profit. But the solution to lowering your creatinine levels isn't locked in a pharmacy. It is hiding right now in your crisper drawer. You've been told that rising creatinine is just inevitable aging, that your swollen ankles, metallic taste, and constant fatigue are your new normal. But that's a lie, and the science says otherwise. New studies reveal that 6 specific fruits, when consumed with precise timing, can activate natural filtration mechanisms while you sleep. But no one's telling seniors. Why? Because a patient on a dialysis schedule is a recurring revenue stream, and the damage keeps building. You wake up with puffy eyes. Your skin itches deep below the surface. Simple chores leave you breathless. It's not just exhausting, it's life-altering. Kidney failure is the fastest way to lose your independence, but this countdown could change that. In this video, we will reveal 6 powerful fruits ranked from least to most effective that can help reverse renal strain starting tonight. And the number 1 food, it's backed by a study that showed it can stop stone formation and lower inflammation markers by over 30%. Before we dive in, tell us in the comments what your current GFR or creatinine number is right now. We're reading and replying to every single comment to help you track your progress. Now, let's begin with number 6, and it's one that acts as a time machine for your kidney cells. Number 6 is red grapes. However, you must understand that not all grapes are created equal in the eyes of your kidneys. While green grapes are essentially just bags of sugar water, red grapes, specifically those with seeds or very thick skins, contain a miraculous compound called resveratrol. This powerful antioxidant does something incredible once it enters your bloodstream. It activates a specific protein called SIRT1, which scientists often refer to as the longevity gene. When you activate this gene specifically at night, it protects your kidney cells against ischemic injury, which is damage caused by a lack of blood flow, a common issue for anyone suffering from renal decline. A pivotal study published in the Archives of Renal Physiology demonstrated that resveratrol administration significantly reduced oxidative stress markers in kidney tissue and preserved mitochondrial function during recovery periods. But here's where 90% of people fail. They eat fresh grapes and chew them quickly, meaning most of the resveratrol passes right through the digestive tract without being absorbed. To turn this fruit into a medical-grade intervention, you need to use a technique called cryogenic fracturing. You must wash your red grapes and place them in the freezer for exactly 4 hours until they are rock hard. When water freezes, it expands, and this expansion shatters the microscopic cell walls of the grape skin from the inside out. This process creates a 200% increase in bioavailability, meaning that when you eat them, the resveratrol is instantly released into your system rather than being locked away in the fiber. You should consume exactly 12 frozen red grapes 1 hour after dinner. The cold temperature also stimulates the vagus nerve, which further aids in lowering inflammation before sleep. Now for the warning that could save your life. Never under any circumstances consume bottled grape juice found in the supermarket aisle. These products are pasteurized, which destroys the enzyme activity, and they are concentrated sugar bombs that will spike your insulin and increase the filtration load on your kidneys, effectively accelerating the damage you are trying to reverse. Let's move forward to a berry that acts like a scrubbing brush for your blood vessels. Number 5 is blueberries. But we need to make a critical distinction immediately. If you are buying those large plump berries from the front of the supermarket, you are essentially paying for expensive water balloons filled with sugar. You need to specifically hunt for wild blueberries. These appear smaller and darker because they have a higher skin-to-pulp ratio, and that skin is where the medicine lives. Wild blueberries contain a dense concentration of anthocyanins that is 200% higher than the cultivated variety found in most stores. Think of your kidneys' filtering units, the glomeruli, as being covered in rust. This rust is oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Wild blueberries act like a high-grade steel wool scrubber. When you consume them, these potent antioxidants travel to the renal arteries and neutralize the free radicals that are scarring your kidney tissue. A study from King's College London demonstrated that regular consumption of wild blueberry extract improved vascular function by nearly 25% within just 1 month. This directly reduces the pressure on your delicate kidney filters, allowing them to rest and repair. However, anthocyanins are extremely delicate, and most seniors destroy them before they ever reach the stomach. Here is the exact protocol you must follow. You must consume wild blueberries raw, either chilled or at room temperature. Never bake them into muffins or pancakes because heat above 350 degrees incinerates the medicinal compounds, leaving you with nothing but flavored carbohydrates. Furthermore, to unlock their full potential, you need a lipid carrier. You must blend 1/2 cup of wild blueberries with a small handful of walnuts or a teaspoon of high-quality MCT oil. This is crucial because while some vitamins are water-soluble, the specific antioxidants in wild blueberries require fat to survive the harsh environment of your stomach acid. The healthy fats coat the antioxidants, ensuring they are delivered straight to your renal system. If you are eating them plain or cooked, you are getting less than 10% of the benefit. Do not waste your money on the wrong berry, and do not destroy the medicine with heat. Now let us look at a fruit that acts as a biological shield against infection. Number 4 is cranberries. We are introducing this specific fruit to combat the single greatest external threat to a compromised kidney, which is a urinary tract infection. When your glomerular filtration rate drops, your urine flow naturally slows down, creating a stagnant environment where bacteria like E. coli can multiply rapidly. If that bacteria travels upstream, it attacks the kidney tissue directly, causing irreversible scarring. You might think you are safe, but chronic low-grade infections are often silent until the damage is done. Cranberries are your biological shield, but the mechanism is often misunderstood. It is not just about acidity. Cranberries contain a rare compound called type A proanthocyanidins. Most other fruits only contain type B, which are useless for this specific purpose. Type A compounds possess a unique molecular structure that physically prevents bacteria from latching onto the walls of your bladder and renal tubes. It effectively turns your urinary tract into a non-stick surface, forcing the bacteria to slide out of your system before they can colonize. However, there is a dangerous trap you must avoid. Never buy the product labeled cranberry juice cocktail found in the juice aisle. That is not medicine, that is a poison for kidney patients. It is loaded with high fructose corn syrup, which spikes your insulin, triggers massive inflammation, and feeds the very bacteria you are trying to kill. You must locate 100% pure, cold-pressed, unsweetened cranberry juice. It should be so tart that it makes your mouth pucker. That astringency is the proof of its potency. Your protocol for this is precise. You will mix exactly 1 part of this pure concentrate with 4 parts of filtered water. Do not drink this before bed, as it might trigger nocturia, which disrupts the sleep cycles we need for repair. Instead, drink this mixture at high noon. This timing ensures that you are flushing your renal system during the peak of your circadian activity window, keeping your filtration units clear and the bacterial load at 0. By maintaining this acidic barrier in the middle of the day, You prevent crystallization and infection simultaneously. Now, we are going to look at a citrus fruit that acts as a solvent for kidney stones. Number 3 is lemons and limes. We are using these specifically to target the physical obstructions that drive up your creatinine levels. I am talking about calcium oxalate crystallization. Even if you do not have a full-blown kidney stone yet, microscopic crystals are likely forming in your renal tubules right now, acting like sand in a sensitive gear system. This grit causes inflammation and blockage, which forces your creatinine numbers up. Lemons provide citrate, which is the only natural compound powerful enough to coat calcium molecules and prevent them from bonding together. It essentially creates a force field around the minerals in your urine, preventing them from turning into solid stones. But here's where you have been failing for decades. You squeeze the juice and throw the peel in the trash. You are literally throwing away the most potent part of the medicine. The skin contains a concentrated essential oil called D-limonene, which acts as a solvent for existing sludge. To extract this correctly, you must follow this morning ritual with laboratory precision. You need water heated to exactly 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature matches your internal body heat, allowing for rapid assimilation without shocking your digestive system. First, you must zest exactly 1/2 teaspoon of the organic peel into the cup to release the oils. Then squeeze the juice of half the fruit. Drink this immediately upon waking on a completely empty stomach. This triggers a bile dump from your liver and flushes the kidneys before you consume any solid food. However, there is a serious warning attached to this protocol. Citric acid softens tooth enamel on contact. If you brush your teeth immediately after drinking this, you will brush your enamel right off. You must drink this mixture through a straw to bypass your teeth and wait at least 30 minutes before brushing. This simple morning adjustment effectively resets your pH balance, protecting your kidneys for the next 24 hours. Now let us examine a tropical fruit that eats inflammation alive. Number 2 is pineapple. But stop right there, because we need to look at your blood work before you take a single bite. Pineapple contains potassium. If you are in late-stage renal failure with potassium levels hovering above 5.0, this fruit is forbidden for you. But for everyone else, this is the most powerful anti-inflammatory tool in nature's arsenal because of a singular enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is proteolytic, which means it digests proteins. This is critical because kidney damage often manifests as fibrosis, which is essentially scar tissue made of protein that strangles your healthy kidney cells. Bromelain enters the bloodstream and effectively digests this scar tissue, reducing nephritis and restoring flow. But you have been eating it wrong your entire life. You likely slice off the sweet yellow flesh and throw the hard woody core into the trash. You just threw away the cure. The core contains the highest concentration of bromelain. The soft meat is just sugar, but the core is the medicine. You must slice the core thin and consume it raw. Never grill it or by canned pineapple, because heat and pasteurization denature the enzymes, rendering them useless. For the ultimate biohack, sprinkle a pinch of pink Himalayan salt on the raw core. This activates the sodium-potassium pump, helping your cells absorb the fluids and enzymes more efficiently. Eat 2 slices of the core alone as a mid-afternoon snack to allow the enzymes to work on your inflammation rather than digesting your lunch. Now we arrive at the number 1 fruit, the king of kidney repair. We have finally arrived at number 1, the absolute king of kidney restoration, tart cherries. But before you rush to the produce section, you must understand that 99% of the cherries sold in supermarkets are useless for your kidneys. Those are sweet Bing cherries, which are essentially nature's candy. We are looking for a specific strain called Montmorency tart cherries. These are not recreational food, they are functional medicine designed to target the most insidious enemy of your renal tubules, uric acid. Even if you do not have gout, high uric acid levels act like microscopic shards of glass, scraping and scarring the delicate lining of your kidneys every single day. A landmark study from Boston University involving over 600 participants revealed that consuming tart cherry extract reduced the risk of inflammatory attacks by 35%, directly alleviating the filtration burden on the kidneys. But the true power of this fruit lies in its ability to hijack your sleep cycle for deep repair. Tart cherries are one of the few food sources of naturally occurring melatonin. Most people think melatonin is just for sleep, but in the context of kidney health, it is a potent systemic antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress while your body is in a fasted state. However, to access this sleep healing mode, you must follow a strict timing protocol that most people ignore. You need to purchase unsweetened tart cherry concentrate. It must be thick and syrup-like. Mix exactly 1 ounce of this concentrate with 6 ounces of water. Here is the critical part: you must drink this elixir precisely 90 minutes before you go to sleep. This timing is non-negotiable. It takes roughly 90 minutes for the anthocyanins to metabolize and hit peak concentration in your bloodstream, which coincides perfectly with your entry into the first cycle of REM sleep. During REM sleep, your body naturally shunts blood to the vital organs for maintenance. By timing your dose, you are effectively flooding your kidneys with anti-inflammatory compounds exactly when they are most receptive to repair. This is the ultimate passive healing strategy. You are literally reversing damage while you dream. Do not use sweet cherry juice, and do not drink it in the morning. Treat this like a prescription medication that you take to close out your day, ensuring that you wake up with cleaner blood than when you went to bed. You do not need to consume all 6 of these fruits tonight. Instead, adopt a rotation diet starting with the top 2 protocols we discussed. When you combine these specific nutrients with proper sleep cycles, you create a synergistic effect that flushes toxins far more efficiently than any medication alone. Consistency is the mechanism here. If you adhere to these exact temperatures and timings, you should see noticeable improvements within 21 days. Now I have a challenge for you. Comment your current GFR number below and come back in 3 weeks to update us on your progress. Your doctor might be shocked by your next lab results, but you will not be, because you finally know the secret. Subscribe for more senior biohacks, and I will see you in the next video.